Hello children, last time we completed exercise 1.4 example 1 up to 7 number. Okay, 8, 9 and 10 I told you to do it on your own. Now here example number 2, what we will do, write down the decimal expansion of those rational numbers in question 1. In question 1 you were given the rational numbers. Okay, now we have to find, in first question we had to find whether it was terminating or non-terminating repeating. Now the questions, the fractions which were terminating decimal, we have to write them in decimal expansion form. Barabar, we have to write them in decimal expansion form. So only those questions we have to solve which were terminating. You don't have to solve all the questions. You have to use the questions of example number 1 only. The first question was in example number 1, 13 upon 3125. In 3125 we found out the factors of 3125, that was 5 raised to 5. There was no number with the base 2, so we will write 2 raised to 0. We will write in the form of 2 raised to m and 5 raised to n. Now 2 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 5. The bigger power among both is 5. So here also we want to bring the power 5. So we will multiply 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5. Numerator as well as denominator. 2 raised to 5 means 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. Okay, so here we will write 13 into 32. And here the base is same, so power will be added. 0 plus 5, that is equal to 5 you will get. Okay, here 5 raised to 5. 13 into 32, 2 raised to 0 plus 5 into 5 raised to 5. 13 into 32 we will multiply and the answer will be 416. 2 raised to 0 plus 5, so that will be 5 and 5 raised to 5. Now take the power 5 common. So 2 5s are 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 5 means 1 lakh. Okay, so 416 upon 1 lakh. So you will write it in decimal form. You will put the decimal after 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot 0. Okay, so you will get 0.00416. Now number 2. 17 upon 8. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. So you will write 2 cube. There is no number with base 5. So we will write 5 raised to 0. Here the bigger power among 3 and 0, the bigger power is 3. So power of 5 should also be made 3. So for that we will multiply 5 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3 in denominator as well as numerator. 5 cube means 125. Okay. So here you will write 17 into 125 upon 2 cube, 5 raised to 0 plus 3. Base is same, the power will be added. Okay. Now 17 into 125 we will get 2125. 2 cube into 5 cube. Take the power 3 common. So you will get 2125 upon 10 raised to 5 2s are 10, 10 raised to 3. Here 2125. 10 cube means 1000. So in 1000 3 zeros are there. So put decimal after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So you will get 2.125. That will be the answer. Fourth sum, fifth sum, fourth sum, sixth sum and eighth sum. Eighth sum, let us see, it is a bit different. So sixth and fourth you will do on your own. Now in eighth sum, see 6 upon 15. So here we will get 2 3 is 6 and here we will get 3 5 is 15. First of all we will factorize. 3 3 will be cut. Okay, so you will get 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5. So that means 2 raised to 0 and 5 raised to 1. So we have to change the power of 2 to 1. So you will multiply 2 raised to 1 in numerator as well as denominator. 2 raised to 1 means 2. Here 2 raised to 0 plus 1 into 5. Power will be added. 0 and 1. Same base. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. 2 raised to 1 means 2. 5 raised to 1 means 5. So 5 2s are 10. 4 upon 10 means 0.4. In 9 number also 35 upon 50. So we will cut it. 5 7s are 35. 5 10s are 50. 7 upon 10 means 0.7. So it was easy. Okay, sixth number and fourth number, you have to do it on your own. Now before moving to next exercise, let me explain you types of decimal. next example before moving to next example. Okay, so decimals, as you studied last year, there are two types of decimal, terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. Now see here, the decimal 2.23678, here the decimal ends here. So decimal fraction in which the decimal digits end after the decimal point, so that is called terminating decimal, and terminating decimal is a rational number. Here see, I have written two examples for non-terminating, 2.36763674, and the second example is 2.21360159 ... Here there is no end to numbers after decimal point, so they are continuously adding 4674 3674 3674. It is continuously repeating, means more and more numbers are added. It does not have any end. So such decimal are called non-terminating decimal. A non-terminating decimal are of two types: non-terminating recurring and non-terminating non-recurring. If after the decimal point same numbers are repeated in same order, see here 2.3674 3674, see the numbers are after the decimal are repeated in same order, then such decimal is called non-terminating recurring, and non-terminating recurring decimal is a rational number. And look here for the second decimal 21360,159, the numbers are not repeated in same order. If the numbers are not repeated in same order, it is non-terminating non-recurring, and non-terminating non-recurring is an irrational number. Terminating decimal is a rational number, non-terminating recurring is a rational number, non-terminating non-recurring is an irrational number. So next example is based on this number, so you need to study this. Okay, the next example we will do next time.